Imagine It Wall Printing is a Calgary-based printing service which focuses on servicing residential and commercial clients. An advanced vertical print machine transfers a digital image onto a vertical surface of your choosing. From signage to original art, our printer can quickly produce durable, long-lasting murals, 3D graphics and/or photos on many surfaces. The wall printer can also produce graphic and/or photos with 3D effects. Simple or customized, we'll print your artwork, image, logo, brand, advertisement display or messaging board. An effective way to communicate visually, the bright and durable ink provides a lasting expression on walls or buildings. Offer wall printing as an extended service for your painting, finishing, decor, or renovation and design business. We can print it, if you can imagine it. Refer 2 members of your inner circle whether they purchase a service or not, and receive a special discounted rate. Print images or designs of your choosing. We'll try to make your concept come to life. Imagine it.